Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This side Ash Bora is making videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty and much more. So we are gonna cover up the Nykaa haul part 2. So keep watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my previous video. If you haven't watched it, I will put the link here or in the description box so you can check it out my previous Nykaa haul. Also, before getting into the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you already did it, then thank you so much. So keep watching this Nykaa haul part 2. So the very first product I got from the Nykaa is this tan removal scrub. This is from the brand Biotic. Again, if you are watching my previous video, then you are aware of this, that I am using Biotic products a lot because I trust Biotic. The brand is like very trustable. So this product I am using a very long time. Like this. If you talk about the price, quantity and the feature of this product, then the price is 199 and the quantity is 75 gram, I guess. Yes, it is 75 gram. And if you talk about the feature, then it is actually works a lot for me. Like, I'm using this product very long time and it actually works for the tan, and you can use it on your face, neck or full body as well. Like, this is a very good product for the tan. If you guys talk about the direction and how to use this product, then make sure you wet your skin and उसके बाद आप एक थोड़ा सा अमाउंट ले सकते हैं अपनी बॉडी के हिसाब से. लाइक ये ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो कि आप थोड़ा सा अमाउंट लेंगे तो ये काफ़ी स्प्रेड हो जाता है, तो यू कैन यूज इट एज अ स्क्रब ऑन योर फेस, नेक एंड बॉडी. यू मस्ट हैव ट्राई वंस. So the next product I got from the Nykaa is this peel off mask, charcoal peel off mask from the brand of Real CC. Like, I was looking for the good charcoal peel off mask. Like, I had a very blackheads and whiteheads on my skin, like T-zone, this area. So मैं इसके reviews पढ़ रही थी. So I thought I just give a try. Like, तो मैंने अभी इसको एक ही बार यूज करा. लाइक, आई कैन सी द डिफरेंस ऑन माई T-zone area. So I was looking for a charcoal peel off mask from a very long time. If you already watched my previous video, you must be know कि like मैंने हिप हॉप तक यूज करा है. तो that was a disastrous experience for me. Like, मेरे लिए वेस्ट ऑफ मनी था. मैं कोई चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ और वो अच्छी ना निकले तो कितना बुरा लगता है. लाइक, वो चाहे वो 100 रुपीज़ हो या 50 रुपीज़ हो, राइट. सो दिस इज़ अ थिंग. एंड मैं एक दिन रिव्यू कर रही थी कि कौन सा अच्छा होता है जो बजट फ्रेंडली भी हो मेरे व्यूवर्स के लिए और मेरे लिए भी. सो आई फाउंड दिस एंड दिस एक्चुअली वर्क अ लॉट. जब हम पील ऑफ करते हैं तो उसमें मेरे लिटरली वाइट हेड्स दिख रहे थे. लाइक, इट एक्चुअली वर्क अ लॉट फॉर मी. लाइक, यू कैन ट्राई इट. इफ यू द प्राइस इज आई थिंक 350 एंड द क्वान्टिटी इज लाइक 100 ग्राम. तो ये बहुत चल जाएगा, राइट. एंड द इसकी जो स्मेल है बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. लाइक, अगर आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो मेक श्योर कि आप एक थिक लेयर लगाएं. अगर आप थिन लेयर लगाएंगे तो वो वर्क नहीं करेगा जिस तरह से इसे वर्क करना चाहिए. लाइक, मैंने एक बहुत ही थिक लेयर लगाई थी तो इस वजह से लाइक इट एक्चुअली वर्क फॉर मी. यू कैन ट्राई इट ऑन योर्स. सो दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आई गॉट फ्रॉम द Nykaa इज दिस toner from the Himalaya. Like, it is a refreshing and clarifying toner. It is alcohol free and it is for the all skin types. This is the product which I don't like this literally don't work at all. Again, like, this is the cost of 9500 ml and it actually a डिजास्टर्स प्रोडक्ट अगेन. लाइक, मेरे एक पिछले हॉल में जो आपने देखा था वो एक डिजास्टर्स था और इसमें ये एक डिजास्टर्स है. लाइक, दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. लाइक, आई डोंट लाइक इट. लाइक, ये हिमालय के ऐसे प्रोडक्ट होते हैं विच आई फील लाइक विद द नेम एज वेल. एंड जो मैंने प्रोडक्ट पहले यूज़ करे हैं उससे भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं वो काफ़ी नेचुरल होते हैं, पैराबेन फ्री होते हैं एंड इट इज़ गुड फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स, राइट. लाइक, अगर आपके चेहरे पे इफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है तो साइड इफेक्ट भी नहीं होंगे. बट इसको लगाने के बाद मेरे स्किन पे काफ़ी सारे पिंपल्स आए. लाइक, आई लिटरली वॉज इन ट्रॉमा कि इतना, मतलब इतने सारे पिंपल्स मेरे कैसे आ सकते हैं. लाइक, दिस इज़ वेरी बैड. लाइक, नो, डोंट यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट इफ़ यू हैव अ सेंसिटिव स्किन लाइक मी. लाइक, इट एंड मेक श्योर कि आप अपने प्रोडक्ट सही और वाइजली चूज करें इफ़ यू हैव अ सेंसिटिव स्किन. लाइक, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. The next product I got from the Nykaa is this sunscreen from the brand of Biotic. This is a Bio Micro Gold Matte Cream. Like, this is for the oil control and it has SPF 30 UVB PA++ UVAA. So this is for the normal to oily skin which has a oily skin. You can try this. Like this is a very good product I'm using from a very long time. Like this actually helps you to sun protect. And also if you talk about the price, this is the cost of 195 and the quantity is 50 ml. Sunscreen is good for your skin. Like अगर आप बाहर जाते हैं तब भी, अगर आप बाहर नहीं जाते हैं तब भी, अगर आप लड़की हैं तब भी और अगर आप बॉय हैं तब भी आपको सनस्क्रीन हमेशा यूज करनी चाहिए. इट इज गुड फॉर योर स्किन. लाइक इट प्रोटेक्ट्स योर स्किन फ्रॉम द सन UV rays. So you should try this, and this is a very good for the normal to oily people. So you can try it. So this is a good product from the brand Biotic again. So the next product I got from the Nykaa is this nail paint. This you can see, like this is the brand Face Canada Splash again. This is a very good brand, I guess. It is a underrated brand from the Nykaa, and this is the cost of 119 and the content is 8 ml. It actually dries so quickly and it lasts long for 2 to 3 days, and for the most effective result you can double coat. So guys, the next product I got from the Nykaa is this Cetaphil body lotion. Like this is a moisturizing lotion, face and body. Like you can use this lotion on your face and skin, full body as well. So this is a very good product. Why I'm saying this is a long lasting hydration for daily use. It won't clog your pores. This is the most effective thing, I guess. Like all the moisturizing clog your pores easily. So if you talk about the features of this product is this: it won't clog your pores. Secondly, it is non-greasy and it actually gives you the matte finishing. And if you apply this moisturizer on your skin, then it will last long for hydrating and moisturizing. It actually helps to keep your skin healthy. It is dermatologically tested. And if we talk about the price of this product, then the price is 885 and the quantity is 250 ml. It looks like a bit pricey. It is pricey, but it actually works a lot. I think this is a very good body lotion. If you are looking for a good lotion, then this is a good product for your face and the overall your body. So the last but not the least product I got from the Nykaa is this Caffeine body scrub. This is I'm opening in front of you. I already did it, but I'm literally showing you that what exactly comes out. This is the spoon which is free from them, and this is the scrub bottle. You can see the full actual bottle of this Caffeine scrub. The quantity is 100 gram and the MRP is 450, which is a bit pricey for us, but it is actually work a lot. About the feature of this, it is for the normal to oily skin. It actually works a lot. I applied for 1 or 2. Like you can see that I applied, but not more. Like it is very good for exfoliation. Like if you are looking for the good coffee kind of scrub, then you can try this out. Like this smells so nice. After that, you can try the body butter as well, which is come from the same brand Caffeine. But I suggest you to try this Cetaphil, which I showed you previously. So you can try this out. This is a good mixture. Like you can use this product twice a week. It is written on that. So you can use it in twice a week. So this is a good product. You can use it for the exfoliation on your body. Like we are looking for the exfoliation. Every body needs the exfoliation, so you can try it. So this is a good product. You can try it for sure. This is it for the Nykaa haul part 2. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and press the bell icon to get the notification from this channel. Bye bye. फिर मिलते हैं जल्दी.